The secret to counting numbers in Haitian Creole is first knowing the basic digits by heart and then familiarizing yourself with the key patterns. Let us first start with the most basic digits first. 0 through 9. In Creole they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So repeat 0 to 9 in Haitian Creole several times. In a short moment, you will have them fully memorized by heart. 10 through 19. In Creole they are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. It is also very important that you thoroughly memorize these as well, because you are going to be using them as you say bigger numbers. Now, let's learn how to count in sets of 10, all the way up to 100. In Creole, they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So once you know how to count from 0 to 9, 10 through 19, and counting by 10 up to 100, you have done most of the work already. Now let's do a little exercise. Assuming that you have taken the time to memorize the basic numbers first. How would you say this set of numbers? If you said 22, 23, 24, and 25, then you are correct. Let's try this set. Again, if you said 32, 33, 34, and 35, then you are correct here as well. As you can see, as long as you know the numbers in the ones and tens place, then you are good to go, because the numbers in the ones place just repeat themselves as you count up by 10. So now let's go over the key patterns you need to keep in mind. They are the Haitian pattern and the additive patterns of the 70s and 90s. Let us first start with the Haitian pattern. From 21 onwards and every 10th number after that, the numbers end as Haitian, which literally means and 1 in English. Therefore, 21 in Creole is not pronounced as 21, but it is pronounced as 21. So 31 is 31, 41 is 41, 51 is 51, and so on. The only exceptions to this are 71 and 91, which brings us to the additive patterns of the 70s and 90s. All you have to do is add to the previous number set by starting with plus 10, and then continuing with plus 11, plus 12, and so on. For example, to say 70 in Haitian Creole, that would be 60 and 10 combined, which gives you 70. To say 90, that would be 80 and 10 combined, which gives you 90. Now, having this in mind, how would you say these numbers? If you said 76 77, 78, and 79, then you are correct. Now, how about this set of numbers? If you said 96, 97, 98, and 99, then you are correct here as well. So overall, as you can see, counting numbers from 0 to 100 is simple in Haitian Creole. You can find a written version of this lesson from howtocreole.com. For more videos like this, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.